We'll guide you through how to turn on or off call barring on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So just to go and confirm what call barring is, if you go and have call barring on for outgoing calls, because you can go and change it individually, for outgoing calls, this means calls cannot be made when call barring is on. So if you want to go and turn it off, then calls outgoing can be made and you can go and ring people. Alternatively, if you have call barring on for incoming calls, this means calls are not going to come through, your phone won't go and ring and people can't call you. So you can go and turn it off and then people will be able to call you and those calls are going to come through. So that's important to go and know. So these can be useful for different reasons. For example, you may not want to be able to go and make calls and having this setting enabled just goes and prevents you. Or alternatively, if you're busy or you're trying to go and concentrate, you may not want calls to come through. So you can go and turn it on for incoming calls. We're going to guide you through how you can go about this. What we're going to do here is we're going to go and open up the phone app. So this should be by default at the bottom of your phone. If you struggle to go and find it, you can always go and swipe up and use the search bar at the top or go and find it in here. But it should go and be at the bottom. So let's go and open it up. Then you can go over to the left and you can go and press keypad. And here we need to go and head to the settings. So what we can do is go to the top right and you'll go and see the magnifying glass and the three dots, which you can tap. And then you can go and press settings. And then what you can do is you can come down and you want to go and find the option for supplementary services. Now, on different devices, it can be called different things. For example, and on some devices, it's called advanced settings. It could be other settings or different things like that. It does vary a bit. So you may need to go and sort of search through the settings a bit. And then when you come into the section, we should go and find call barring and you can go and find the different switches. So I could go and turn it on for all outgoing and for all incoming as well. And those are the options in between as well. So you can go and set it to what you want. That's it. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.